Those that know about Dundas Valley know about Pleasant Valley. I've got a very special home for you today. Let me explain. This is a beautifully renovated home on an oversized lot. Let's head inside. Now this is a timeless design in the dining room and in the living room, both with California shutters. You know, you're gonna find a lot of renovations in this home, starting with this spectacular kitchen. You get a full set of modern cabinets, a center island for extra prep space, and notice those stone surfaces. Here's your bedroom level, all carpet free. Take a look around. And there's even more. Down here, you get a full bath, a rec room, and a laundry. And here's the yard. There's nothing to do. The fence, deck, and shed, they're all here. That's your preview. Now it's time to see it for yourself. To do so, find me. I'm Mercedes Battler with the CC Realty Group.